plants because they exist on sunlight, air, and earth, and that this is what we have to learn to do in order to release spirit out of the ape matrix that we're bound in. And strangely enough, the way this is to be done, apparently, is by a redefining of the nature of the biological world in relationship to this other kingdom of being, which we call plants. Plants represent some kind of entire other dimension of existence, of which we view the topological manifestation of the form, but are completely occluded as to the network of energy and information that this represents. The vegetable kingdom seems to have intelligent species and gradations of awareness in the world. We are opening a dialogue with this other form in the biosphere, which we are just beginning to cognize as our own understanding about what the world is really about falls into focus. Kat, maybe you would want to talk about this. Is this a good...
You can see wonderful things if you look carefully. The question I've been asking is, how can a plant be a teacher? Plants we're familiar with, like ayahuasca, Banisteriopsis caapi, in the South American jungle. If you want to make this visionary drink, you go and find a member of that species, but different members have different potencies and different takes on the same kind of message. This gets to the teacher part. They use this term, plant teacher, in Spanish, as we've come to use it too, and all plants have a plant teacher in them. Some people think that only the sacred plants do, right? Other shamans said, no, all plants do, just some of the spirits. They call them the mothers, the mother of the plant, or the spirit, or the teacher. Some are stronger. So that implies that every time we eat any plant, we're taking in that teacher. They mix these plants with ayahuasca, which is already provides the vision. Then they take a new plant that they don't know so well, or that they want some particular aspect of, and they mix it in with that and take it and feel that they're irradiating what is that plant, what is the personality. The peyote is a good one, I mean, it lasts a very long time in a very subtle way, doing who knows what all that time when it's not being eaten by something which is metabolizing the teacher in it.
It's the question for me, or what always astonishes me about it, is where does the information come from? I mean, the peyote plant or the ayahuasca vine or the mushroom growing there in the jungle or on the desert, how did it manage to tap in and become filled with a universe of alien platonic beauty? Why is that there? The question, I think, is the peculiar dualism in the world of information. Why does it seem that reality is not reality? Why are there co-present, actually, two worlds are co-present in our experience? This is the taboo subject that we're here to talk about. The weird fact that there are two worlds, one of which our culture doesn't acknowledge, but we all experience. That's a very schizophrenic situation to be in. We all exist in both of these worlds, but our language, our culture, our institutions tell us, no, there's only one world.